What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you or we'll be discussing with you how to use badges in LASD Survival Shooter. So, in LASD Survival Shooter here, badges play a crucial role when it comes to upgrading your power and strategy, but they're not just for show. Now, you can actually use them in research facilities. Now, in the also known as the laboratory here to unlock and or enhance specific technologies. Now, think of badges as key ingredients or resource. Now, once you're inside the research center here, you'll see several upgrade categories, but some of them or some of the more advanced ones like Alliance Tool, Special Forces, Defense Fortification, or here training specifically requires badges to begin or continue progress. Now, as you level up your laboratory here, you'll unlock access to even more research branches that use badges. So if you're not seeing all the options yet, upgrading the lab is the first step here. So you just need to press on it and click on upgrade. Now, there are going to be certain requirements here in order for you to upgrade your lab, so make sure to meet those. So in short, you just need to go to your research facility here in your base and use badges to start upgrading specific tech trees like alliance and combat ready skills here, and also upgrade your laboratory buildings here to unlock more research spots. And also keep collecting badges here. They're essentially for long-term progress. So in short, badges is equal to research fuel. So the more you invest them wisely in your research tree, the more powerful and efficient your gameplay becomes. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.